Our world is going through a pandemic, and there's one thing I'm seeing consistently that's driving me nuts, or at least causing me to bring some awareness to this point. Hello, my name is Michael Stack, and I'm the CEO of Amaxx. And if you've watched any commercials recently, you'll hear a message that goes something like this. Here at the Acme Company, we're here for you in these difficult times. Blah, blah, blah. And to me, that's the biggest load of garbage I've ever heard. Consumers know the difference between a marketing message, something that's really nice to say and sounds really good, and reality. Because I do not believe as a consumer these companies are really here for me. Maybe some of them are, but most of them are not. Consumers know the difference. Your employees know the difference. And I see this happening in work comp programs all the time as well, particularly in safety programs. You'll put up a poster, or the corporate executives will come out with some messaging that says, "Oh, we put our employees first. Our employees are our top priority here at the Acme Company." And employees will actually walk by that poster on the board, and they'll give it the bird, or they'll snicker at it, or they'll know that that's not true. Because employees and consumers know the difference between an authentic message and a marketing message. I want you to take some notice at your companies, in your safety programs, in your work comp programs. Are you backing up the messaging that you're giving to your employees with actions? Because that's all that employees, that's all that consumers will pay attention to. If you're going to say that you're here for me, back it up with actions.